Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can simply add FlipBox to your Elementor website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is in Elementor, just write in search FlipBox. And you're gonna see it right here. What you want to do is just take it and paste it to your widget area. And voila, here we got it. So we got the content and the background. So content, we can change the icon to, I don't know, whatever, socks. Just change the title and description. These are socks. Yeah. And now we got a back. Again, you can have like content. It's really up to you. Change it, button text. Also change it if you want to, and then you can like change the settings of height and border radius and flip effect. Zoom in, it's crazy. Zoom out is good too, or fade is also good. So it's really like up to you which one you choose. Then you go to style, and you can just easily edit all the colors here and everything. And then also like the back, also you can like change the colors, changing also the button here. That's really up to you. And background type, let's change the color to, I don't know, really simple. So this is how you can actually add FlipBox to your Elementor website. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments, and thank you everybody. Have a great day and goodbye.